I'm not scared of you, boss Gav. I got armor-piercing rounds this time, bitch.
Oh, you're close, are you?
Yeah. I hear someone running.
It's me behind you.
Grenade.
One's on the front right, close.
Yeah, I hear him. There's one right next. Pretty sure. I think you shot.
I booked it. I booked it.
I see your body.
I was nowhere near that grenade.
Maybe I'll just try and extract and get another one.
Dude, I'm not even joking. I crouched, shot that one because as soon as you ran up, I instantly got shot in the chest. And then I was running forward, and I saw the grenade fly over my head, and then it blew up and killed me.
I'm in quite the pickle right now. I hear a loud M4 shooting. That's good.
I hit 6 shots. But how? I got Bog 17. Bogs do not deserve to be on Raiders.
No, their accuracy of grenades is pretty OP already. Alright, well I killed 2 raiders. I'm gonna go grab your shit. And gun, armor, tag. I didn't grab your helmet, but I'm sure you don't care about your helmet. P90's drop.
So stupid. I'm so bad.
Armor's dropped. Bags dropped. I need to pack my mags before I go in there and fuck shit up.
I hate nades. Vogs do not deserve to be on scavs with their accuracy like that, dude. It's literally ridiculous. Like that is just dumb.
But she don't wanna marry me. I don't know if I should just fight him and die real quick, and then that way we can try and get one quick raid in, or what? Well, no, it's 9:40. I need to go to bed after this. I'll see what I can do on my own.
I'll just gear up my kit for what a great raid, last raid.
I know. I look behind me and I see you sprawled out on the ramp, and I'm like, oh, that's not according to plan. I got a bunch of grenades for him though. Don't worry, babe. I got a Vog of it. What are you? Another one dead.
Can't sleep tonight. When you gonna get back on?
I don't know. We'll see. I definitely want this M1A and his mags, because last time it was M61s.
You do get back on because you can't sleep up.
M62s. I'll take those too.
I'm so salty.
Ah, fuck me.
What?
Nothing. I don't know how I want to play this. There's only 2 dead, so like, that's 5 I gotta handle on my own. And I'm not necessarily excited about it.
Which one threw the grenade? The one we just killed?
Yeah, actually, 'cause I remember seeing his handstand animation.
So he instantly turned the corner, instantly shot me, and threw a grenade at the same time.
Shots at Black Knight, I gotta do this quick. No, no, no. I feel like I'm about to get vogged. I just have a sneaking suspicion. I'm just yeeting. Oh my god, that F1 backfired. Just raped Gluhar. This is crazy with the lightning. Shut up. Shut up.
Is that me?
No. I'm coming back for you, Mag, don't worry. I just killed 2 PMCs. Heal. Fuck me. I gotta get my mag back. I hear running. I'm pretty sure it's a player in the broken warehouses behind me. I want this tag. Run. My god, Bailey, all my mags are empty. This AK is going really fucking hard though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, there's a PMC trying to kill the rest of them. I'm out of grenades. I'm fucking just kind of boned right now. Oh, I didn't bring a new surgical kit in. God damn it. Now I got 1 use left on it, Bailey, and I'm using it.
What'd you do?
I forgot to bring a new surgical kit in, and now we got 1 use left on it, and I just used it.
It's blacked out.
Arm. Probably could do it, honestly. Alright, I gotta get this mag at least to like halfway full before I start skirting off. I think I killed them all. That was a firefight, dude. Not gonna lie. The 2 PMCs kind of caught me off guard.
I got my next kit for when I ever get to play again.
Okay.
I'm getting so many troop and stuff back here, it's ridiculous.
No, no, fuck off. Scab, I really don't have the ammo to waste on you right now. There's a PMC.
Tired of getting grenaded.
God damn it, I gotta worry about a fucking PMC too. Blue Heart's still alive.
It's like any time Boss Cap catches you in the open, they nade you.
And they know how to throw a fucking nade. Someone's running next to me. Just rape that player, Scav. I don't know what that PMC looted. So that has me nervous. He looted Gluhar. Means he's probably rocking M61 somewhere. God damn it, I killed Gluhar and he looted Gluhar. I want a good helmet. One of you have to have a good helmet. No, none of you have good helmets, really. TC. Better than what I got. What kind of helmet do you got? CSH. Found that guy that killed Gluhar. He zeroed my arm out, which is always a good time.
Sounds like you're having a great raid.
Grenade. I should just get out, but I want fucking Gluhar's M1A.
If you have juice, use the juice.
I need to heal before I fight him. I need to play this smart. Actually, I'm full health. He's got the same top on as you. I don't know where he is. He's hiding. I'm not gonna fight it. I have so much gear. Just
I
run.
would just get out.
I still gotta fight through D2, so it's like, what's the point? I just one-tapped the fuck out of a PMC.
I'm glad for you. Okay, bud? I'm glad.
There's a arm. He's coming down metal. I don't know what he's on. He's on metal. I'm trying to figure out where the fuck he's at. I think he's on the Connex box outside. Might be multiple. One dead. Oh my god, I got him. Oh my god, Bailey, it was 2 PMCs. Oh my god. I'm so fucked up. My head's about to go to 0. No, 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 no. God, my head's zeroed. You die if your head goes 0, don't it? My stomach's blacked. Oh my god, I don't have food. God damn it. Definitely worth recording. I dropped my mag. Where's it at? There we go. Oh my god. Were you PMCs or player scavs? I gotta know. 2 player scavs. Oh my god. And then there's a USEC yelling at me above me. That's fun. No, it's Raiders. What the fuck?
Where are you?
It's medical. They ran up from the tunnels.
Are you dead?
No.
Hold up.
I don't think I'm gonna make it, dude. I got no I got no food. Everything's blacked out but my fucking chest. I don't have my meds for this either. Oh my god. What a final raid. I just hear, lay down your weapons and give up. And there's 2 fucking raiders staring at me when I empty the door. Oh my god, I got no ammo. I'm literally got no ammo. I'm gonna